the sound of the sea. It's one of our most popular villas, and there is a really good reason why. The sea is just lapping away less than 10 meters away from this veranda. For an extra €100 a day, which does not include fuel, I know for a fact that I would be renting that little boat there. It's just sensational. Here we go. Down here we go. Very, very close to the house. And we have what is essentially a private beach. It's not, you don't have private beaches in Greece. Anybody who tells you you do is lying. It's not allowed. But, I mean, nobody else is coming here. Look at that. Wow. There's another sun lounger here. Nice table and chairs for just chatting, drinking ouzo in the evening, coffee in the morning, that kind of thing. And as I mentioned before, this fantastic, I mean, I just love it. It's a huge piece of marble. This spot to sit and eat at any point in the day, with the sea being so close just behind me, is just unbeatable. Round the corner, you've got a fantastic barbecue area. So in we go. This is the sound of the sea. So as you can see here, there is a stereo, TV in the living room, and it's like open plan. There's an archway here that leads into this kitchen. Curtain that is separating where I'm standing to the sleeping area up here in the gallery, and I think it works rather well. It gives privacy from the bedroom, the double bedroom that is behind me. Beautiful, isn't it? It's got these lovely wooden banisters that the owners put there. And we'll keep walking round and continue on down here to the, I guess, master bedroom. As you see, this is set up for clients to arrive, so this is how people will find the house. You can see the lovely big built-in wooden wardrobe. When you're lying in bed, you look out of the window and that's what you see, and that's what makes this property such a special place. So this is the bathroom, which is next door to that master bedroom on the top floor. I just thought I'd sit down at this marble table and show you exactly what this is like. It really is sensational. There's good Wi-Fi internet in this property too, so if you're busy and working and wanting to check emails, then you can. And what a place to spend a couple of weeks in the summer, relaxing, swimming, taking this lovely little boat out for the spin, and just enjoying the simple sound of the sea.